Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm going to show you how to add and edit doors and windows. First, you have to create your floor plan. When that's done, we can move into Catalog. You can go into Building Elements category or simply type in. You can choose the window that you want to use and you simply drag and drop it into the project. Now you can click on that window, go into the edit in the top center of your screen, and you can fully customize the size of it. You can also change the distance from the floor up to the window. Here, Y, that's your distance from the floor up to the window sill. If you need more windows in the same size, you can click on a window, select the clone tool, and now you can paste your windows anywhere in your floor plan. You can still resize these windows, but you have to remember that if you will be changing texture, the same texture will be applied into every cloned item. Now we can add some doors. You can choose between closed or open door. When you click on any door, you can go to Edit, the same as with your windows. You can change dimensions, but you can also flip them horizontally and vertically. So you can choose whether they open into inside or outside of the room, or into the left side or right side. We can also create doorways. Type in doorway, choose the shape of a doorway you want to use, and now you can simply resize it. You can either use the edit and type in exact dimensions, or you can use the resize tool. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!